Remember when building a website meant endless hours of coding or fighting with clunky drag and drop builders? Well, thanks to AI, you really don't have to worry about that anymore. I'm about to show you how to build a complete professional website in just 90 seconds using AI, specifically Wegic AI. Think of Wegic as having a professional web developer that you can just chat with. No coding, no drag and drop, just natural conversation. And for the record, we are not affiliated with them in any way. We just enjoy promoting cool, innovative, and helpful AI tools to our watchers. But enough of my rambling. Here is all the powerful things you can do with Wegic. First, text to website. Instead of telling you what this does, let me just show you. I'm going to type in the following prompt. Create a modern coffee shop website with a rustic feel featuring a menu, about us, and contact sections. Now watch how quick Wegic is able to deploy this for us. So it will load. It will give you a rundown on what exactly you want. And then once that is finished, it's going to ask you to type in or click on OK now. And then from there, watch just how fast a complete website is put together based on your request. And boom, that took less than 30 seconds. The whole process start to finish took maybe a minute and a half, 90 seconds. From here, you can see you have a full, home page. It has the menu and the contact options in the top, and that even gives you suggestions that you can kind of see on the side there to add an X and a LinkedIn button on the home page. So let's go ahead and do that. It'll add it for us. And there you go. Now you have an X and a LinkedIn button directly on the homepage. We can take a look at the menu. It gives you pictures, it gives you the menu, pricing, everything. You can keep going. You have more of the menu here. Favorites by customers. Like, we didn't even ask for that. They just threw that in there for us, which is nice. Hey, visit us, find us. Like, they created a full-blown, basically ready to go website. We didn't give them a full prompt on creating a full website. We just wanted something very basic, and they over-delivered on that. From here, it comes down to editing and customizing everything you would want to fit your exact needs. Maybe giving them the full menu, maybe the color scheme, the name, anything else that you want to add. But you just type in a prompt, I'm wanting a coffee shop with a cozy feel, and look at what this has given us. So now, if you want to edit the site, Wegic makes that incredibly easy as well. Obviously, you have the text option that I showed you when adding the X and the LinkedIn buttons, but there's a few other neat ways that Wegic lets you edit your website. And here are two of those ways. If you look down by the text area right here, there is the reference image button. So you can actually upload an image of what you want your site to look like or what you want edited onto the site from another image. Or you can even draw a sketch, which it is not allowing me to do at the moment. I'm not sure why, but let me go ahead and upload a local image for you guys. It looks like I actually lied. The drawing is working. Here it is. So you can, draw rectangle arrows. Let's just do draw. Let's just say right here, I want there to be a button. So you draw that. So, down here shows you an example too. You can add an image to the drawn area. What we want to do, let's say we'll add a contact button just for the heck of it. We'll say, and the drawing can we add a contact button as well as a shop button. So now we will let that load. You can see it shows our drawing under our text. And Kimmy is thinking. Let's let her think. So Kimmy ran into an issue. This can happen, and it's really not an issue because you can just tell her to retry, and from there it will work. So let's retry, and then let's see what it gives us. We can. Now it works. So you can now see the contact and the shop buttons have been added right here under the area of the wording. So it didn't replace it, which is fine, but it did add the buttons that we wanted. And it actually gives you 3 different results to choose from. So you can choose the one that you like the best. This one looks like they just changed the color or the hover color. Yeah, they changed the hover color on B, and on C. Looks like they did the same. So all in all, they're just about the same, but that is exactly what we were looking for. And all it took was drawing and asking Wegic to add these things. You know, we didn't have to drag and drop anything, customize really anything. We just asked and it's supplied. So that's another cool feature. But let's get back to the image feature, reference image, where you can upload a local image. So we ran out of credits to do that, unfortunately, as we do not pay for this. We don't personally use it for our website because we built it before Wegic was a thing. But just like you were able to draw and ask for Wegic to change an area of your website, you are also able to upload an image and tell Wegic, hey, I want this part of my website, for instance, the footer. You can take a picture of another website's footer that you really like the layout of. You can upload the picture of their footer into Wegic and say, hey, Wegic, I would like my footer to have the exact same layout as the picture that I just attached. And they will go ahead and do that for you. So with all of that being said, you are actually now seeing one of Wegic's promo videos that just displays more of the cool things that it can do. Again, we are not affiliated with Wegic. It is just a super cool and innovative platform that if you're a website builder, you should be using. So we hope you got some value out of this video, and be sure to subscribe for more.